Now our question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial f of x equal to 6x square plus x minus 2, then find the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So we have to simplify the given. Finding the value is alpha by beta plus beta by alpha should be simplified first by taking LCM of beta and alpha. What is the LCM of beta and alpha is alpha beta or beta alpha. So beta divides alpha beta is alpha times multiplied by alpha in the numerator and denominator both. You will get the denominator is beta alpha, numerator will become alpha square. So alpha divides again alpha beta is beta times. So we multiply by numerator and denominator by both beta. Numerator and denominator by both beta and beta. So here numerator become alpha into alpha is alpha square. Here beta into beta is beta square. So alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta we got. We don't have the formulas alpha square plus beta square value. We don't have. So that will be simplified as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta. So how to simplify means, see, we know that alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. So this alpha square plus beta square, let it be the 2 alpha beta bring from RHS to LHS, it become alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to alpha square plus beta square. So we have to write that alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta in the place of alpha square plus beta square. The same way I wrote alpha square plus beta square in the place of that I wrote alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by as it is alpha beta. We know that here alpha plus beta, alpha beta, alpha beta. That means what you have to find alpha plus beta value, alpha beta value you have to find by using the polynomial. What is given polynomial is f of x equal to 6x square plus x minus 2. This polynomial you have to compare with ax square plus bx plus c, where a is equal to 6, b is equal to 1, c equal to minus 2. We know that sum of the zeros equal to alpha plus beta is minus b by a. That means minus 1 by 6. B value is 1, C value, a value is 6. So minus b by a means minus 1 by 6. And product of zeros equal to alpha into beta is c by a. C value is minus 2 by a value is 6. 2 ones, 2 3s, that equal to minus 1 by 3 is product of zeros alpha into beta. So what is our polynomial? What is our given requirement? Question is alpha by beta plus beta by value should be found. That means this value, after simplifying we got that alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta. That means alpha plus beta value what we got here, minus 1 by 6 whole square minus 2 into alpha beta value is minus 1 by 3 by again alpha beta value is minus 1 by 3. That is minus 1 by 6 whole square is 1 by 36 minus to minus plus 2 by 3 by minus 1 by 3. That equal to, here denominator is minus 1 by 3 will be as it is. So numerator should be simplified by taking LCM of 36 and 3 is 36. 36 divides 36 only one time, multiply by 1 here. Here 3 divides 36 just 12 times, multiply by 12 in this numerator also. So 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 into 12 is 24. That equal to 24 plus 1 is 25 by 36 into minus 1 by 3 become minus 3 by 1. This division become multiplication. When you do the division is multiplication, then the denominator product minus 1 by 3 become reciprocal, that is minus 3 by 1. That equal to plus and minus is minus 25 into 3 by 36. 3 ones, 3 12s. That equal to minus 25 by 12. That is the value of given polynomial. Given value is alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha value is minus 25 by 12. This value only we got.